Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to see which app is secretly using your internet data. So let's get started. Now go to your settings, search for data usage. Click on it. You can see data usage. Click on it. Scroll down, you can see mobile data usage. Now these are the apps that using your mobile's data in the background. So let's say you wanna stop Facebook using data in the background. So you have to click on the blue toggle. Now the Facebook app won't be able to use data in the background. Let's scroll back. You can see Wi-Fi data usage. Click on it, and these are the apps that using your Wi-Fi data in the background. So this is the same process. If you want to turn it off, you have to click the blue toggle to turn it off. So this is it. This is how you can find which app is using your phone's data in the background. Thank you for watching.